Let's go, Liam! Let's go, Christophe!
Christophe, let's go, Liam!
Good job, Liam!
Come on, Liam. Come on, Christophe.
Let's go, let's go!
Let's go, Liam! I would be terrified. I mean, obviously he's really nice. Like, he's not going to get mad at Liam, but, like, I would still